Currently, there are many world records in the field of science and technology accomplished by very extraordinary people. But for the first time in history, your favorite team Space Explorer has set a world record of launching 100 femto satellites in a single high altitude scientific helium balloon.
But of course, things aren't as easy as they look. Watch the video till the end as we unfold the secrets of this world record. First, let me brief you about the mission. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam International Foundation, House of Kalam, and Space Zone India jointly organized Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Space Research Payload Cubes Challenge 2021, which was a world record event of launching 100 femto satellites in a single high-altitude scientific helium balloon. And these satellites weren't made and assembled by any scientist, but by thousands of students all across the India.
This mission was to ignite young minds to work on science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, applying their knowledge and skills, which seamlessly combined to apply in the design and development of femto satellite. And guess what? Out of the 1,000 students, we were a part of this world record event.
This was not the first time when some was launching a femto satellite. In fact, NASA had launched first of them in 2019 itself. But 100 at a time was the fact that made this launch a world record.
Mission had an objective of designing and constructing 100 research experiment cubes that contained different payloads. The total mass of 100 research experiment cubes were 5,000 gram approximately, with each payload or each satellite weighing about less than 50 grams.
These 100 payloads included different sensors, fibers, and seeds for investigation of data. The list of all 100 payloads and its uses are given in the description below. Each satellite cube had a dimension of 4 x 4 x 4 centimeters and were coded using telemetry and C language to transmit all the sensor data.
These payloads are going to be launched with the help of scientific helium balloon, which will burst at the height of 35 to 38 kilometers in the sky, and all the satellites and the data will be safely retrieved with the help of dome-type parachutes for study.
We were trained online about this mission and we assembled these satellites in Pune. The launch event is going to take place on 7th of February 2021. We will be making another video about the launch, the data retrieved, and more about the mission shortly after the launch event. So stay tuned.
We thank a lot to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam International Foundation, House of Kalam, Space Zone India, and Martin Group for making this possible and for giving young space enthusiasts like us to be a part of this world record event. Also viewers, if you enjoyed the video, a sub to the channel will be just amazing. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with us for more such interesting space facts.